Over 60? Drink these 4 teas to rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Like 20. Have you noticed your legs feel weaker than they used to? Or that you get tired faster just from walking? Many people over 60 think this is just a normal part of aging. But what if I told you that you could fight back? New research shows that simple natural teas can help you rebuild muscle, improve blood flow, and boost your energy. These aren't just old wives' tales. They're backed by science. For instance, a major study in Japan found that older adults who drank green tea regularly were far more likely to maintain their muscle strength and balance. One of the most famous examples is Japanese sprinter Hideki Miyazaki, who was still running at 100 years old and credited his daily cup of green tea as a key to his longevity. In this video, we're going to reveal the top 4 teas that can help you fight back against muscle loss and low energy. Each one is simple, affordable, and easy to add to your daily routine. Stick around for the 4th one. It's a surprising blend that works while you sleep. Trust me, you won't want to miss it. Let's get started. 1. Ginseng. Green tea. The morning muscle wake-up. This isn't just a simple cup of tea. It's a powerful way to start your day and support your body from the inside out. The core of this blend is green tea, which has a rich history of promoting health and longevity. It's loaded with powerful antioxidants, particularly a type called catechins. These antioxidants are like tiny shields for your muscle fibers, protecting them from the daily wear and tear that comes with age. Over time, this protection helps your muscles stay strong and resilient. Studies have shown that the antioxidants in green tea can directly help older adults improve their walking speed and reduce their risk of falls, a crucial factor in maintaining independence. But to supercharge this effect, we add ginseng. Ginseng has been used for centuries as a natural energizer. It doesn't give you the jittery boost that coffee does. Instead, it works to improve your body's stamina and endurance. When ginseng is combined with green tea, you get a synergistic effect. The two work together to provide a clean, steady source of energy for your muscles. This means you can walk farther, go upstairs with less fatigue, and stay active longer without feeling drained. Beyond its physical benefits, this tea also helps your mind. The antioxidants in green tea, along with the natural compounds in ginseng, have been shown to support cognitive function, helping you stay sharp and focused. It's the perfect morning drink to not only wake up your muscles, but also your mind, preparing you for a day of strong, steady movement. Ginseng is well known for its natural ability to boost energy levels. This makes ginseng tea an excellent alternative to coffee for a morning energy boost. The active compounds in ginseng, including ginsenosides, have been shown to reduce fatigue and increase energy production in cells, which can help you start your day feeling revitalized. Ginseng is a powerful ally for your immune system. Drinking ginseng tea regularly can help strengthen your body's defenses, making it more resilient against common illnesses like colds and the flu. The key to this benefit lies in compounds called ginsenosides. These unique molecules have been shown to enhance the performance of various immune cells, including macrophages and natural killer cells, which are responsible for identifying and destroying foreign invaders in your body. By boosting the activity of these cells, ginseng tea helps your immune system work more efficiently, providing a protective layer of defense. Beyond its immune-boosting properties, ginseng is also an effective anti-inflammatory agent. The same ginsenosides that strengthen your immune system also have powerful anti-inflammatory effects. This is particularly important because chronic inflammation is a silent contributor to many age-related health issues, including heart disease and diabetes. By helping to manage and reduce inflammation levels in your body, regular consumption of ginseng tea can support your long-term health helping to protect against the cellular damage that can lead to chronic illness. To make green tea with ginseng, follow these simple steps. Boil water and let it cool slightly to around 160 to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 to 77 degrees Celsius. Add 1 teaspoon of green tea leaves or 1 green tea bag to a cup. Pour the hot water over the tea and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. Add ginseng root or ginseng extract to the steeped green tea. As a general guideline, start with a small amount, such as 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of ginseng powder or extract, or a few thin slices of ginseng root. Stir well to ensure the ginseng is evenly distributed. Allow the tea to cool for a minute, and then enjoy. Remember to follow the manufacturer's guidelines stated on the packaging if you use a branded product bought online or at a local store. 2. Ginger lemon tea, the recovery refresher. This tea is more than just a soothing drink for a sore throat. It's a powerful tool for rebuilding your body after physical activity. It combines 2 simple natural ingredients that work together to fight soreness and improve your overall mobility. Ginger is the star of this blend. It contains active compounds like gingerol and chogal, which have been used for centuries to reduce inflammation and ease pain. When you're active, tiny tears form in your muscle fibers, leading to soreness and stiffness. Ginger helps to calm this inflammatory response, making your muscles feel less achy and more comfortable. This means every step you take feels easier and more fluid. But the real magic happens when you add lemon. Lemon is an excellent source of vitamin C, a nutrient essential for the production of collagen. Collagen is the body's most abundant protein and acts as the glue that holds your body together. It's the primary component of your connective tissues, which include your tendons, ligaments, and cartilage. By supporting collagen production, the vitamin C in lemon helps keep your muscles and joints strong, healthy, and flexible. Together, ginger and lemon create a refreshing blend that helps you recover faster and stay limber. Ginger also aids in digestion, which improves your body's ability to absorb the nutrients it needs to repair muscle tissue. Drinking this tea regularly helps your body bounce back so you can continue to stay active and independent. The combination of lemon and ginger is more than just a delicious pairing. It's a powerhouse for your health. These 2 ingredients work in perfect harmony, with each one enhancing the benefits of the other. This bright citrus fruit is full of vitamin C, which is a crucial nutrient for a strong immune system. But lemon's benefits go far beyond that. Its natural antioxidants help your body detoxify, and its acidity aids digestion by balancing your stomach's pH levels. The clean, tart flavor of lemon cuts through the warmth of ginger, creating a refreshing taste that's both invigorating and light. Known for its potent medicinal qualities, ginger has been a staple in traditional medicine for centuries. Its key compounds have powerful anti-inflammatory properties, which can help soothe sore muscles and stiff joints. Ginger is also a well-known digestive aid, helping to settle your stomach and relieve nausea. Its warm, spicy flavor adds a comforting depth to the tea, making it both a soothing and energizing drink. When you combine them, lemon and ginger create a drink that is not only bursting with flavor, but also packed with health benefits. The lemon's detoxifying and digestive properties complement ginger's anti-inflammatory and soothing effects. Whether you're looking to boost your immune system, support digestion, or simply enjoy a comforting drink, lemon ginger tea delivers a powerful and delicious experience. 3. Turmeric black pepper tea, the anti-inflammatory powerhouse. This tea is a potent blend designed to combat deep muscle and joint pain. The main ingredient is turmeric, a golden spice that contains a powerful natural compound called curcumin. Curcumin is a strong anti-inflammatory agent that works to target pain and swelling at its source. The challenge with curcumin is that your body struggles to absorb it efficiently. That's where black pepper becomes a game changer. Black pepper contains a compound called piperine, which can boost your body's ability to absorb curcumin by up to 2,000%. That's 20 times more effective. This incredible synergy makes the turmeric-black pepper combination far more powerful than taking turmeric alone. This tea doesn't just ease discomfort, it actively helps your muscles and joints heal. By reducing inflammation, it supports the recovery process after you've been active. Drinking it regularly can lead to improved flexibility and a noticeable reduction in stiffness over time, making it easier to move freely and without pain. 4. Rooibos. Cinnamon tea, the overnight recharge. This tea is your secret weapon for overnight muscle recovery. It's my personal favorite because it works while you sleep, preparing your body for a stronger, more energetic morning. Unlike the other teas, this one is completely caffeine-free and naturally sweet, making it the perfect addition to your nightly routine. The magic of this blend comes from two key ingredients: rooibos and cinnamon. Rooibos tea is known for its ability to improve circulation. As you rest, it helps your body send more oxygen and vital nutrients to your muscles. This process is crucial for rebuilding and repairing muscle fibers that were used during the day. By nourishing your muscles overnight, you wake up feeling stronger and less fatigued. Cinnamon is added to this blend for its ability to balance blood sugar. Instead of sudden energy crashes that can leave you feeling weak, cinnamon helps you maintain a steady energy supply. This is especially important as you get older, as stable blood sugar supports your overall energy and vitality. Together, these two ingredients create a powerful nighttime drink that supports your muscles and helps you get a restful night's sleep. It allows your body to do its most important work, repairing and recovering, while you are at rest. Together, there you have it. 4 powerful teas to help you rebuild muscle and walk strong again. Ginseng. Green tea for a morning energy boost. Ginger lemon tea for faster recovery. Turmeric black pepper tea for fighting pain and inflammation. Rooibos cinnamon tea for an overnight muscle recharge. Which one will you try first? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more science-backed tips to keep you strong and independent at any age.